If you're providing instruction in Google Classroom and you are finding that your students are having some difficulty reading the instructions, I'm going to show you how you can get the iPad to read to your students. The first thing that you want to do is you want to find the Settings app on your iPad. So mine is down here because I just opened it, or it's up here normally on my iPad. So I open it up, I go to Accessibility here, and I open up Accessibility. Then I go to Spoken Content. Then I want to turn on Speak Selection, and you can see here that a Speak button will appear when you select text. And then next I want to turn on Speak Screen, so when I swipe down with 2 fingers, I can hear the content on the screen. I also want to make it easier to follow, so then I can highlight the content and I can turn on that button as well. And you can change these settings if you would like to. I kind of just leave the default. So you're going to go out of here and you're going to go into Google Classroom. Speak Selection won't work in the stream as you see it on your iPad. What you need to do first is you need to tap on the instruction or the information that you have on your stream. And then from in here, you can actually do Speak Selection. So you'll tap and hold on the spot you want to speak. And then you can actually drag it to be longer than you want, or you can just have it on the specific word that you are looking for. So when you're done, you'll see the little pop-up and you'll press the Speak button.
Instruments and library books. When delivery happens, please start R.
If you want the whole content to be spoken, you can just swipe 2 fingers down from the top.
Troy Reynolds, 11:50 a.m. Just a reminder that Chromebook pickup is currently happening with the meal delivery. If you have a meal delivered to your house and you feel you can return your Chromebook.
And this will also work on the main screen in Google Classroom in your stream.
Announcement. Troy Reynolds, 11:50 a.m. Just a reminder that Chromebook pickup is currently happening with the meal delivery. If you have a meal delivered to your house and you feel
you have your controls down here at the bottom, and you can press pause and fast forward if you want to. So next, I'm going to move this out of the way. We're going to go to your classwork down here at the bottom. Classwork is a little bit different. So we'll go into classwork, we'll go into our brand book, which is my demo, and we'll go into the instructions. Now in here, because it doesn't take you to a new screen, you can actually tap and hold on a word and get that speak button to come up, or you can swipe from the top and get the screen to be read to you.
Instructions, Student Work. Brand Book Instructions, 100 points. 1. You will create a brand book on slide number 2 of the attached slideshow. On the brand,
you can skip to the next section by pressing the skip button, and it will just skip around for you as it reads, and then you can go ahead and pause when you're done. That's how you get the iPad to read your screen. I will follow up with another video showing you an extension called Mote that will actually read in text in Google Classroom and in Google Docs.